If you're thinking about buying from purefitshirt.com, you might want to pause for a minute. I took a closer look at the website, and there are a few things you should know before placing an order. First, the site is very new. A recently registered domain isn't automatically a scam, but it does mean there's very little track record to judge whether the store is reliable. Independent website safety checkers also give purefitshirt.com a low trust rating because of factors like its young age and limited online reputation. On the positive side, the website does use HTTPS encryption, so your connection is secure, and it accepts payment methods that may offer buyer protection. But remember, those features alone don't guarantee that a store is trustworthy. My recommendation? Be cautious. If you decide to shop here, use a payment method with strong purchase protection, avoid spending a large amount on your first order, and look for genuine customer reviews as they become available. Based on everything I found, I can't confidently recommend purefitshirt.com just yet. Until it builds a stronger reputation, it's probably safer to stick with more established online clothing stores.